Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change default view in Asana. So first, go down here to your projects and click and open up your project where you want to change your default view. Now let's select the view that you want to change to. So in my case it will be calendar. And now in order to set it as a default, just right click it and this menu will pop up where you have the option to set as default. So click on that. And now as you can see, everyone who opens tutorial project will see calendar first. You can undo this action right here and simply select a different one if you want. Set as default. So it is really simple to change the default view. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.